I was sent the Iris 3 and this thing is such a game changer. I took it with me traveling recently and was literally the passenger in the car just wearing this. What I love about it is if you are tired but you feel like your mind doesn't want to shut off, this kind of forces you to close your eyes when you wear it, and it's so relaxing. So let me show you some of the details. There's a gel pad back here. I just put it on over, and when you put it on, you kind of slip it over that part right there. And then up here, there's actually a little bit of Velcro. So that keeps it in place. You can take this off, pop this in the refrigerator beforehand, and then you'll have this cooling eye effect, which is fantastic, but also this thing heats up. So let me show you all the different functionality of it. Here's your on off right here. Hold it down a couple seconds.
Welcome to the Renpho Eye Massager. Air pressure plus heat.
And then you can say, "Hi, Iris."
Welcome.
And then it will be voice activated if you want. So if you want to change the pressure, you can say things like soft pressure.
Soft pressure.
You actually have multiple levels of pressure. I personally like the strongest pressure. In fact, if I could do anything, I would make this be more powerful because when it does the temple rub, it feels so good. There's also levels of heat, so you can have it be a little more intense or a little more relaxed, or no heat at all, up to you. You can do no vibration, vibration. So I love all the different things. Plus you can control it over here too.
High heat. Medium pressure.
And then watch this. Built-in white noise. In my case, this one is beautiful birds. I imagine they're like flying around a rainforest. You do crickets, a babbling stream, and you can make it a little louder, or you can turn it off. This also connects to your Bluetooth, so if you want to put a meditation on or something like that, you can do that. Okay, let's talk about the band. This is adjustable. Again, you can put this on. I do recommend putting this on with it. Right now, I'm going to just show you what it's like without it. Just goes right over your eyes. Lean back, relaxed, and let it do its thing. It is so nice once you're laying down and just letting it give you that massage for your tired eyes. All right, guys, I'm gonna go actually and enjoy this. Plus, it's weird to talk to you and not see you. If you just want the massage and not your eyes, you can lift it up like this, and then it does kind of massage just above your temples. But definitely made for your eyes. It's so relaxing and soothing. I am absolutely loving it. When you're done, you just hit that button right there. And when you want to go to charge it, it's right in the center. I also love how this folds up so it doesn't take up a lot of space. If you are traveling, it also comes with a carry case, which is so convenient. This makes a fabulous gift, and also get one for yourself because you're going to love it.